Hi, you guys. So we have reached the end of the week, and tomorrow morning, which will be probably the morning you will see this, you have your final. So I wanted to say a few words about that and take through a few things, and then wish you good luck and tell you what a pleasure it's been to lead you through this class and hope that you learned a lot and at least it piques your interest in art, and maybe you'll take some more art courses, either art history or actually tactile art classes. That would be great. And so let's go ahead and look at some things. So I did send out the announcement, which you can find here, and it is including your You Are What You Eat project. And so what I did was, here is your You Are What You Eat mosaic. Takes you to this page, which you should be able to open up and view and move in close and see all the things that people submitted. I'm not sure, I think maybe you can actually, yeah, you can keep going in and in. So as you can see, the variety of things of what you eat there's many things, and this is kind of a collage that actually fits that whole thing. So hopefully that is explorable for you, and you can see this program. The picture itself is a picture of a donut with sprinkles. That's something that I make and I eat all the time. So I thought I'd put my picture on there and then build your pictures around it. This is a great program called Picture Mosaics. There's several others of them online you can use. We used about 294 pictures to make up this particular collage. They're pretty neat. And so anyway, hopefully you'll try that yourself. It's kind of fun. All right, so going back to modules and running all the way down to the last module, which is, you should have completed this journal 21 through 25, and then final and review. If you want to run through that, you can. Here's the review. So your final is on August 13th through the 16th. It's online, and then it's open book, and it needs to be completed within 3 hours. So once you open it, you have 3 hours to complete it. You have as many attempts as you can fit in at the time, and then the exam opens at 8 a.m. on August 13th and closes at 11 p.m. on August 16th. So this should give you a chance to basically go all the way through it. Pretty simple. There's only a couple, just like the midterm, there's a couple of essay questions, but the rest of it is all multiple choice. And this mostly focuses on chapters 9 through 25. So ideas like form, content, elements from the pre-midterm would be good to review, just because we will be asking you those questions again. Anyway, so a final thought. I hope you all have learned to appreciate art and in all its iterations, and maybe even you fell in love with it. Maybe that's asking a little bit too much, but and you might consider taking another course or two in art history or studio art. There's so much to know and to see, and as always, I encourage you to investigate further and go to museums and galleries and performances on and off campus. And I've listed a few of them, although you should be very familiar at this point as to what those are, since we've done the art gallery essays. So doing that, I leave you to it, which is the final. Good luck, and maybe I'll see you around campus or see you in another online class. All right, thanks so much for attending, and again, good luck.